Okay, you can see obvious discomfort here. The nerve is impinged right now. C5, C6. Okay, you can see obvious discomfort here. The nerve is impinged right now. C5, C6. As soon as we add the distraction, watch the distress right there. Everything melts away. We hold the distraction like this. I'm feeling his breath. Slight increase in distraction with the out breath. Coming back in on the in breath. Moving with the rhythm of the body. You see no stress right now on the nerve. We need to create enough space so we can make an adjustment in the cervical and the thoracic spine. Just for demonstration purposes, coming off of the decompression, pressure on the nerve immediately shows patient discomfort. Still pressure, not as bad. Again, distraction, watch for the release, there it is. Moving with the rhythm of the breath. We're going to make one adjustment to the patient position. I'm coming off. Keep breathing, Mark. You see the impingement. We'll wait till we bring the body back into a peaceful state. There's the drop. Good. Breathe. Keep breathing. Look straight up. Look straight up. Perfect. Grab the one. Just to here. No discomfort, no distress. Oh, good. Oh. Hold out your nose and breathe. This is going to be a little cold.